2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.